Hey, what's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm just going to talk about a few of the most common mistakes people have on their Shopify store. Things that you can do to obviously make your store convert higher and seem more appealing to obviously get more sales. So the first thing is that your products have been priced too high. Next to each of these items, I've put a little parenthesis section which kind of explains obviously why you have this issue. So if you've priced it too high, obviously you're not getting sales. It's because you were just lazy and you didn't do enough market research. So obviously before you choose a product and before you decide how you're going to price it, make sure you do the market research to know how you can price it competitively and that you're not outpricing yourself in the market. Number two is there's no customer service. So this just makes a site seem a little bit like a scam or sketchy. So you need to make sure that you have a live chat, which obviously you can do that with a few different apps. It's that little bubble that appears in the bottom right hand corner usually of websites that you visit, so you're able to chat to someone live. If you don't have a phone number, you can place a phone number in the header, also in the footer, so that people feel like if they do ever want to call, if they do have an issue, that there's someone they can talk to. And also a contact us page, which can include the phone number, also an email, a way they can get a hold of you if they do ever have an issue. Third thing is a lack of social proof. So if there's no reviews or no testimonials, that's also another pretty simple fix. You can use different apps like Looks, for example, to be able to import reviews that have already been left for the products in AliExpress itself. This just helps people to see, hey, you know what? Other people have bought it, they like it, it works, so now I'm going to purchase. Number four, if the site's poorly designed or if the functionality is just off, people are just going to have a hard time being able to purchase. You want to make it as simple as possible for people to go through, find the product they want, and be able to check out. But if there doesn't seem like there's really much of a brand behind your actual store, then it kind of seems like it's maybe a scam or maybe it's from some place that people don't want to purchase from. So you can fix this in a lot of different ways. So make sure you create a logo. You can do that on canva.com. It's pretty simple. Create your own logo so you seem like you're an actual brand. If you don't have a favicon, so it's pretty simple. I have a different video that explains how to do that, to add a favicon in your Shopify store. If you just have a basic theme. So most people, Shopify is pretty saturated. So people are going to be opening up stores left and right, and most people don't want to pay for a theme. So everyone's going to have the same basic free themes from Shopify. So if you spend a little bit extra money and you get a purchase theme, it's going to look a little bit cleaner, a little bit more professional, and it's going to help you stand out from the competition. Maybe the colors don't match, so make sure that, between your logo, your favicon, and your theme, that all the colors are matching. It's not just kind of mismatched and makes it look like you're a little kid. Also, you can add trust badges. That's something pretty simple. I have another video that explains how to do that. But yeah, if you just have trust badges, that helps people feel more comfortable when they're checking out, that their information from their card is not going to be shared or hacked. But yeah, there's tons of different ways. You got to make it as easy from checkout to finish as possible. Don't make anything misleading or anything complicated. Make sure it's easy to find the add to cart button and to checkout now button. So those are just some simple things that you guys can do to be able to create a better store and not have these most common issues holding you back. That's all I wanted to share today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and we'll see you guys later.